Uh-oh, hurricane alert. Everyone's hiding. Outside, the wind is screaming at over 75 miles per hour. That sounds intense. But what if I told you there are storms moving 5 times faster than that? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not on Earth. To witness winds reaching nearly 400 miles per hour, you'd have to leave our planet behind and travel to the giant of the solar system, Jupiter. The journey begins not now, but billions of years ago. Jupiter wasn't always where it is today. It was once a rolling stone. The grand tack theory suggests Jupiter spiraled inward, acting like a wrecking ball that truncated the solar system and shaped the world we know. Jupiter is enormous. It is more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. You could fit 1,300 Earths inside it. But don't expect to land there. This isn't a rocky world. It's a gas giant, a world of pure energy with no solid surface at all. Instead, you descend through iconic stripes: brown, yellow, red, and white. Juno discovered these bands extend 3,000 kilometers deep. Deep inside, violent storms create mushballs, slushy hailstones of ammonia and water that kidnap nitrogen and carry it into the depths. Above these storms, Juno detected shallow lightning, frequent high-altitude flashes powered by an ammonia-water antifreeze. Gas turns to liquid. Under extreme pressure, hydrogen becomes a liquid metal, conducting electricity and generating a monstrous magnetic field. And somewhere far below lies a fuzzy core. Not a solid rock, but a diffused region potentially caused by a prehistoric giant impact. Jupiter is an engine, radiating more heat than it receives. But you didn't come all this way just to explore internal physics. You came for something far more terrifying. A monster that has watched the solar system for centuries. The Great Red Spot, a storm wider than Earth. This is the largest storm in the solar system. A high-pressure anticyclone so massive, it's wider than Earth itself. It has been raging for nearly 2 centuries. Once 3 times Earth's size, it is shrinking, but its power remains unmatched. Its winds scream at 400 miles per hour at the edges, while the center remains eerily calm. A true engine of atmospheric chaos. Why red? Scientists think it's a sunburn, ammonia and other compounds broken down by sunlight into crimson chromophores. The spot survives by cannibalism, feeding on smaller storms to maintain its energy in a world without solid ground to stop it. Jupiter isn't alone. On Saturn, the Great White Spot appears every 30 years, wrapping the entire planet in lightning-fueled clouds. Beyond our system lies K2 141b, a world where it literally rains rocks. Molten rain falling from supersonic winds. A true hellscape. Back near Jupiter, its moons tell their own incredible stories. Worlds of fire, ice, and hidden oceans. Europa hides a global saltwater ocean containing more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. A prime candidate for life. Io is the most volcanic place in the solar system, melted by a gravitational tug-of-war that keeps its interior in a constant state of fire. Ganymede, the largest moon of all, possesses its own magnetic field. A giant larger than Mercury, orbiting the king of planets. Once thought dead, Callisto may also harbor a subsurface ocean, hidden deep beneath its ancient crater-scarred skin. Jupiter's magnetosphere is the largest structure in the solar system. It is a violent trap for particles, creating a lethal radiation environment. This creates the most powerful auroras in the solar system, hundreds of times more energetic than Earth's, driven by the planet itself. In 1994, Jupiter showed its true power as comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 slammed into its atmosphere, leaving scars visible for months. Is Jupiter our shield? For billions of years, it has used its gravity to intercept comets and asteroids, potentially protecting life on Earth. But some scientists think it may also be a sniper, redirecting outer solar system threats toward us instead of away. Guardian or threat? The debate remains one of the most intriguing mysteries in planetary science. No one knows for sure. At the poles, Juno discovered geometric clusters of cyclones that never dissipate, perfectly ordered chaos that defies explanation. Jupiter remains the architect of our solar system, a world that fascinates and terrifies in equal measure, a monster that refuses to fade. And the Great Red Spot, it's still there, still spinning, still watching, the king of planets, still ruling the dark.